It's been about 3 years since we bought our Samsung cleaning robot, and frankly we've liked it a lot, but well, after 3 years we had to replace some parts. Let's go over what happened and what we had to do. What I noticed was some of the brushes were missing, so if you flip it over on the back side, you see these brushes are pretty obvious. These are the old brushes. Let me see if I can get a close-up and I'll show you what happened. As you can see, they're still in pretty good shape. This plastic just got hard. See that? Just chips right off of there. And they got hard and broke. You can see it's got a sharp edge on it, just broke off. So that doesn't make me really happy. I mean, that should have just gone until the brush wore out, and as you can see, it didn't wear out. The other item we had replaced was the battery. You can see it's just kind of a plug-in affair. They wouldn't let me do it myself, or I would have bought one and kept it on the shelf and then replaced it. The battery that I'm holding is the old one, and you know, it would still work for a while longer. I hate to throw things away before they're totally dead. But this battery, when we got the robot initially, it would clean the house, one floor of the house, roughly twice, 2.5 times before the battery needed recharging, and then it got to the point where it only cleaned the one floor of the house one time before it needed charging. So you know, it was still serviceable, but they wouldn't let me do that. They wouldn't let me change the battery myself, so I had to let them do it. So between the brushes and the battery, it cost me just about $100. You know, not too terrible for 3 years. I wish the brushes hadn't been an issue. If we had to do it again, we would still buy the robot cleaner. It's been a really good thing. And that's it for today. I hope you found that useful and interesting in your home projects.